So this is an actual iPad screen. There's no screen protector on here. This is just all screen. You get nice vibrant colors, nice shades, nice blacks. This is the screen that you pay for. But from time to time, we want to actually enhance our screen, making our writing experience with our Apple Pencil a more enjoyable experience. So what we do is we go out and we add matte screen protectors, just like these. So I've tried several of these out, from third party to SwitchEasy to Paperlike. Some of them are the same, some of them are a little bit different. Today, I'm going to be breaking down those differences, and then I'm going to be telling you which one is the best for my iPad Pro 11. So let's check it out. What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more reviews, and we're going to be looking at which one of these screen protectors is going to be the best. Now, I've shown you the actual iPad with no screen protector on it whatsoever. No matte screen protector on it. You get that shiny, glossy look, but we want to add these and see which one is going to be the best. Now, I can tell you right now that my pick is... You got to stay tuned, but we're going to run through each one of these. Now, two of these are basically the same. These two right here, the one from SwitchEasy and this off-brand right here. These are basically the same. They come out of the package the same way. They look the exact same way. So I'm just going to tell you about one of these. Well, the first one we're going to talk about is the actual Paperlike screen protector. Now, the Paperlike screen protector is super clean, super easy to use. It's one of those that's going to be a nice writing experience, also a nice drawing experience. When you put this thing on, it feels like you're actually writing on paper. There are no issues with this whatsoever. And when you actually go to clean it, everything just kind of wipes off. There are no stains, no smudges. It's oil resistant, fingerprint resistant. It's an all-around great screen protector, and it's going to protect that screen because that's a $800, $900, $1,000 screen. You want to protect that screen. So it's a great choice. It's one of my top. And so one of the major issues that people complained about with these matted type screen protectors was the actual sound that it made as you went across it with your pencil. The Paperlike screen protector, the matte screen protector, version 2 is extremely quiet and doesn't make a whole lot of noise as you drag your pencil across it back and forth. And then you're erasing. It's just as simple as that. Now, this screen protector has very little glare. It protects really well, anti-fingerprint, oil resistant. It's all around awesome screen protector. And the writing experience that you get on this one is a bit more premium than some of the others that I've tried. Now, the Paperlike does not make as much noise as some of those other screen protectors. Some of those can be a little rough and bumpy, and as you run your pencil over them, your Apple Pencil or your third-party pencil, when you run that pencil over, it makes noise and it can leave a little rainbow streaking behind. The anti-glare on here is great. The rainbow streaking is to a minimal. You barely have any of that, if any. And then the sound that it makes is extremely quiet. You don't even know you're writing on it. That's one of the best things, because I've used some others and they're extremely loud when you take your finger across them or when you take your pencil across them. They make a lot of noise. I have to say that. But keep in mind, Paperlike is extremely quiet. Anti-glare is awesome. It's a great fit for anybody's tablet. Now, looking at some of these third-party screen protectors. So one of the main reasons I didn't do a comparison between the SwitchEasy and this one right here was because both of these basically come out of the packaging looking exactly the same. They have the exact same texture, they have the exact same feel, and pretty much do the exact same thing. This is how they're going to look. And once you get it on your iPad, This is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get the same paper-like feel, but if you notice, the sound on this is a little bit more scratchy. The glare is a little bit more pronounced on the third-party type. You still get the low reflection. You still get less fingerprints. It's an extremely good screen protector for a matte screen protector. And you get the same self-adhesive tab. But these feel a little more rough and bumpy when you're going over them compared to the Paperlike screen. And as far as using a third-party stylus, Paperlike also gives you a good foundation. It allows the third-party stylus to work as well. That's one that I will be reviewing very soon. And as everyone knows, this one right here is the Logitech Crayon, and basically gives you the same writing experience. It's not loud, it doesn't make a whole lot of noise. It gives you a fluid writing experience, and it feels good when you're writing with it as well. It's good for taking notes, good for drawing. So whatever you want to do with any of these devices, feel free to do so. So that has been it, guys. Paperlike, the original version 2, is going to be a better choice than the third parties. It writes more smoothly, it has less glare, it makes less sound, and it's not gonna damage your tip. Now, a lot of people say it's gonna damage the tip. I've been using this on a daily basis for months now, and no issues with my tip of my Apple Pencil or my third-party devices. So I'll be sure and drop a link below so you can check out this one. I'll drop links below to the rest of them if you want to check those out. Price point will be a factor in some of this. You get 2 of the Paperlike screens, the official Paperlike screens, for about 36 bucks, which I don't think that's a bad deal. But some of the other ones can go as little as 18 and 16 bucks, and you still get 2. So really, it's just up to you which one you want to choose. I'll drop a link below so you can check all of them out for yourself. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.